Continue even when it feels messy.
Hi guys! Ako pala si So, short for Bunso. Tara, sama ka na. Ito pa rin ang ating pangarap.
This is day 16 of 365 journey. Creating the best version of myself. Kung may pangarap ka, tara, sama na. Let's go! Many of us a quiet pressure inside. The pressure to get everything right. To never make mistakes. To look strong all the time. And when we fall short, we become discouraged. We stop trying. We tell ourselves, I'm not good enough. But here is the gentle truth. God never asked you to be perfect. He only asks you to keep going. Progress matters more than a perfection. The Bible said in Proverbs 24 verse 16, though the righteous fall 7 times, they rise again. Mistakes is a part of growth. Struggles are part of learnings. Falling is a part of journey. What matters is that don't stop. Sometimes we wait for a perfect moment, a perfect plan, the perfect version of ourselves. But perfections often become a trap. It's delay our process, it steals our confidence, and sometimes it keeps us stuck. God works to imperfect people. He always asks. Moses doubted himself times, and David failed many times. Peter had mistake again and again. Yet God used them powerfully. Why? Because they did not stop. In Philippians 1 verse 16 say, He who began a good works in you will carry it on to completion. God is still working on you. You're still in the process. And that's okay. Just keep on going. Continue even when I feel messy. Continue even when you feel unsure. Continue even when the process feels slow. Because consistently builds strength. Faithfulness builds character. Small step taken every day leads to lasting change. Let this be your reminder. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be willing. Willing to try again, willing to grow, and willing to continue. And step by step, with God guiding your path, you will become the person you're meant to be. Keep going, even with flaws, even with mistakes, or even imperfectly. Stay positive mind and stay humble. See you tomorrow.